Hi, and welcome to this video. So this is actually not really a PowerShell quick tip or anything really programming related, but more of a quick tip for actually using YouTube to view my videos. So during the live streams, the last two live streams, I actually got the question from uh, people where English isn't their main language of how they could more easily watch my videos with either like AI translations or closed captioning with other languages. And I knew that this was something already as a feature on YouTube, but not a lot of people know how to use it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually use the closed captioning and the auto translation on the videos, specifically my videos here. So this way you guys can actually see it in action in one of my videos and be able to use it for yourselves if English isn't your primary language. Now, one thing to note with the auto translation, since I'm bilingual, I speak French and English. I decided to do the auto translation to French. The accuracy was definitely very, very good, as well as just adding the closed captioning for English. It was pretty accurate. There were a few little things that were a little incorrect just because maybe the way that I pronounced something or just the AI capturing my voice didn't quite comprehend what I was actually trying to say. But if you actually understand English minorly and then you translate it to your primary language, I think that you would definitely be able to make it out of what exactly it's trying to do or say. And it doesn't happen very often. It's like the odd word, maybe every couple minutes or so, or every minute, there'll be like a few words. But you should be able to make it out with just like all the surrounding words around it. So let's actually go ahead and let's see how we can actually add these closed captionings on these videos here. So let me just actually try to zoom in here. I could probably zoom in a little bit more just so you guys can actually see the video screen. So here we have the video. It's playing. There's no subtitles as we can hear. It is in English right now. You could probably hear it very faintly in the background. We're just going to mute that for now. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually turn on the subtitles or the closed captions. And we're already going to see that I get some words popping up. Right now it's showing up in French because that's what I tested it with. But here, if you click on the little gear icon, and you're going to go up here and click on subtitles / closed captioning, and it says English auto generated to French here. You can actually click on this and you can actually do like auto translate, and then it will actually give you a list of languages that you can actually choose from. So let's say you want it translated into Greek, you would just select Greek. And of course, I don't know any Greek myself, but it will auto-translate it into the Greek with the Greek alphabet. So you should be able to read it no problem. And like I said, the accuracy I found going from French to English was definitely pretty good. There were just the odd word here or there that was a little bit wonky. But besides that, it was pretty good. Um, so I think that that should help you guys, especially if you guys don't have aren't English speaking as your primary language, and you have another language that you actually speak more comfortably and more fluent in. You can do this, and I guarantee you that you will actually get probably a lot more out of the videos. That way, I know for myself when I was younger, I definitely preferred watching things in my primary language, which was French at the time. It was just a lot easier to understand things. Hopefully this helps, and hopefully maybe in the future, YouTube maybe will have some auto translation with some AI voice, which will convert my voice into the other languages. Maybe that's a feature coming soon, maybe not. I don't really know. But the way that AI is going, I can definitely see that happening in the future. If you guys have any other questions on maybe how to use certain parts of my channel, like this isn't necessarily PowerShell related, but you know, in my live stream, I had a few people ask me on both live streams how they can actually do this. So I figured I would make a video this way it can benefit all of you guys if you haven't watched the live stream. I do post the live streams afterwards to my channel, so if you missed them, you can always go rewatch them. The live streams are at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. on Saturdays, and usually those last about 2 to 3 hours. And basically all we're doing in there right now is we're actually playing around with PowerShell Universal. So if you want to check out PowerShell Universal before the tutorials hit the channel in a more curated format, you can actually check out the live streams, and you'll actually see me figuring out how to use PowerShell Universal, because it was my first time using it on the Saturday stream, on the first tech live stream. So it was quite the adventure of figuring out how to use that. So you should expect a lot more of that on the live streams, and then very shortly a tutorial series on how to use PowerShell Universal to create some of your routes and create some applications using PowerShell. Once again, if you guys have any comments or questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, also hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out, and I will see you guys on the next video.